Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and this is Free Watch Face Tuesday, we got some nice freebies for you, so stay tuned. The review is coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a couple of awesome free watch faces for you to check out on Free Watch Face Tuesday. Now, the name of this watch face is called JSD Digi One Free. Yes, it's a free watch face, right? Now, I like this watch face. Even in the always on mode, it looks decent. It's not a bad look at all. Now, when the watch face is on, it's very simple. It is not interactive, but it is nice. Now, for a casual wear, this would tie in really, really nice. Now, what I do like about it is it does have a second hand going around the bezel of the watch right there, which kind of gives it a classic look. But all in all, it is not bad. You're going to get your step info, calories burned, your digital time, and yes, it is in 24 hours, and you get your day and your date. Also battery life, but I like the theme in the background. I thought that was a nice look, especially considering that this is a simple watch face, right? Not a bad look for a red and white watch face that will tie into any casual wear that you're going to have on for that day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Let's go on and check out watch face number two. Number two is nice. You're going to like this one. Now, the name of this watch face is called Glowing Ring Orange 12 NiceBorn. Now, this one, to be free, this is awesome, and it comes in other colors as well. So if you need to explore and you don't like this color, you can check out more that they have in the Gear Manager store. In the always on mode, it looks just as nice because it really looks the same. It's just going to be dimmed down in AOD mode. But this watch face gives you everything you can ever want out of a watch face. It's going to give you battery info, all your step status info from heart rate to steps to floors climbed, calories burned, distance walked or ran. And what's nice about this is that your digital time is kind of pixelated. It's very nice, very unique. It's going to give you the day of the week and your date. So you got everything. This is definitely a unique looking watch face. I like it. And on top of it, right, it is interactive. So if I tap here, I can get my weather. If I tap here on the date, I can get my calendar. And if I tap right here, I can get my step status info, calories burned, things of that nature. And I thought that was nice, right? But I missed something in the first initial review of this watch face, right? If I double tap, I can change the color of the background. Whether it be light, whether it be dark, just tap and it changes. So I thought that was nice. What do you think, guys? You gonna go download it? All right, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one because I'm liking it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.